Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And we've got an epic unboxing. I know what's in there. I asked Uline to send me a sample. I know what's in this box. Epic unboxing. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. What could it be? Could be anything. It's Uline. Literally just about anything. Not live. It couldn't be. Could it be a box of kittens packed in Fabergé eggs? Probably not. Oh, it's a big box. Big box here. Oh, gotta see. Not done yet. Oh, time for the reveal. Time for the reveal. And what could it be? What could it be? What could it? It's a box. It's just a box. It's a box I ordered. Sample. Yay! Great unboxing video. Best unboxing video ever. It's a box. Okay, ride safe, be seen.